Well, that was a test of the new Betaflight 2.8.1. There were some problems with 2.8.0, and when I did some line of sight testing with my quad, I took it out and was just moving around a little bit, and it just started wobbling all over the place. So Boris has made some changes to his code, and so these were flights using the latest code, and it seems really good. I mean, I'm no expert pilot, but it seems fairly easy to fly and nice and tight. Could probably do some tuning to make it better, and I just ran the stock PIDs today on my setup. So yeah, this is my test quad, just a QAV250, Cobra motors, DYS 20 amp ESCs, nothing too wild here. There's a Naze32 flight controller board Rev5, and running a Doge OSD on it with the DX7. So works good. I'm liking it. So anyway, talk to y'all later.